Well, a good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's a little chilly today. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, it has been raining since last Friday. Can't really tell right now. Got one day of sun, but it's going to be raining again. But I want to show you what the winds were like the last couple of 3 days. I'm here to tell you, I thought the roof was fixing to come off the shop. Plus, I have a few other things that I want to show you that are starting to grow on now that we are in springtime. Give me a second. That's what we finna do's. Dan, the winds were that bad? Yes, they were. I looked at the weather station yesterday and we peaked out with some wind gusts up to 62 miles an hour over here. It was just something else. Let me show you this video. Weather has been a doozy over here in East Central Mississippi. I'm here to tell you. Let me show you this stuff that I got growing on outside. Remember that asparagus that I planted out? Might have been a week ago. Look at there. Them crowns are starting to put off shoots already. And these are the Mary Washingtons. I had a bunch of them, look there. And here is a Jersey Giant. I think, oh, there they are, right there. And I should have some popping out somewhere in this area right here too. So that is definitely a good sign. Those asparagus crowns were viable, so that's good seeing that. And to answer the question, can you grow asparagus in a raised bed? Yes, you can. You can also grow it in a hugel bed as well. They grow well in stuff like this. So let's go inside this shop and I'm gonna show you what I've been doing in there, and I think you know what it is. And look at this asparagus. I just let it go. You know, this is actually edible. Even though it has went to fern kind of sorta, you can actually eat this right here. And it tastes like good asparagus too. And in my never-ending quest to grow lettuce, look at here. I got a bunch of succession lettuce that I planted out in some cracky buckets. This is the deer tongue lettuce, and that is a really neat species of lettuce. Looking forward to trying that in a salad. This is Jericho lettuce. Kind of looks like deer tongue, kind of. And over here I have some green oak and red oak lettuce. Get the red oak's in the back over there. This is green oak. And this, I have ate this before and it's pretty good. And I enjoy the oak leaf style lettuce. So it's growing really good in these cracky buckets. And over here I have a whole bunch of seedlings just kind of on standby because I know I'm going to get another show enough cold snap over here. I need to do something with them, I know, but I don't want to put them out too soon because they will die due to the cold snap. Here is my huckleberry. I'm going to put that joke in a grow bag and let it grow. And I also have some more peppers, some charapitas, chiltepins, and I think I have some pequeños mixed up in here somewhere. But the seedlings are looking real good. They're getting, right now I am feeding them some half-strength nutrients just to keep them going. But they're doing good. Just waiting on some warmer weather, and it's coming, I'm pretty sure. Give you a shot of the Arrow Garden. That thing is amazing. I had dill, this is dill right here. That joker was growing up over this Arrow Garden. So I trimmed it back, and I used some of the dill yesterday in a dish that I made. But I'm just amazed at how this thing grows. I have parsley, have some basil in here, more parsley, basil, chives. Oh, I also harvested some chives too. Use that in a dish. There's nothing cooler than being able to use fresh herbs that you grew like at your home place. It's just, I don't know, that amazes me. Versus going to the store and buying those herbs, and they are expensive. Let me show you what I got in this grow tent. Look at what I got going on up in here. I got some DWC peppers that are rocking on, and they are growing in this DWC system, or all of the DWC systems. I'm not gonna climb in there, just wanted to give you a shot of what it looks like. And over here, I got some more peppers. I think this is a charapita, and I believe that is a chiltepin over there as well. I just wanted to see how these guys grow soil-wise versus hydroponics. I think you can tell a difference because I planted them at the same time and put them in this grow tent at the same time. Grow light is working phenomenally, and this is a sun rays grow light, and of course I have my pump set up there, and everything is just growing really good in this setup. I have I don't know if you can see it, but I have a heater over there. I put that little ceramic heater inside the grow tent because I want to try to maintain a temperature of 68, 70 degrees inside of the grow tent. The heater, I have the heater actually hooked up to a Inkbird thermostat. It works really, really good. I don't know if you can see it. It's 68.9 degrees in there right now. And the reason why I did that is because the temperatures have just been so crazy the last couple of weeks over here. One day it's 80 degrees outside. The next morning it's near freezing like it was this morning. It was 33 degrees this morning. So I'm glad that I have the heater, a little small ceramic heater in the grow tent. A lot of folks on the online sites and hydroponic gardening sites, you know, that talk about, is it safe to have a ceramic heater inside your grow tent? Yes, it is. If you set it up correctly, yeah, because my grow tent's still there. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Got some stuff growing on now that springtime has finally arrived. Still waiting on that show enough warm weather to get here. Have a lot of things that I'm gonna put out here to grow, but we just gotta wait till Mother Nature says that we can. I also wanted to show you all of that succession lettuce that I planted. It is just a blessing to be able to grow pretty much all your own salad, lettuce, things of that nature, because it's just so expensive in the stores to buy. So I urge everybody, if you can and you have the means to, try to grow your own lettuce and your own herbs at your home place. Won't never have to buy it at the store. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Six channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. That being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. Not me, nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.